Hi all, it's a bright and sunny day today and I'm super excited to show you my indoor garden setup. So this setup runs on an aquaponic system. The best thing about it is it runs pretty much with zero maintenance and it's been doing so from the past 2 years. So I'm sure this will be really exciting for all of you and probably some kind of a guide for you to replicate in your own houses. A little bit about this setup. Do you see this structure out here which is created during the construction of this house? We initially thought of having some kind of a waterfall, indoor waterfall, or maybe just a garden. But then I was really inspired by a lot of videos around aquaponics. So I thought, let's give it a try. So I really did a proof of concept out here, but it turned out to be a great success, and which is why I thought I should share this information with all of you. One other thing which you may want to notice is that we have a skylight as well, which provides adequate sunlight for the indoor plants to grow. So this setup can be replicated either inside your house if you have a skylight, or maybe on your patios, balconies, or even on your terrace wherever you have sufficient light for your plants. So let's get into the system. We'll start with the pond, which basically has a couple of fishes. I have in total 4 fishes out here. I think it's too sunny for them right now, so they're just hiding inside. But I basically have 2 goldfishes, a molly and a placo, and that's about it. And all of these fishes have been very happy with the setup, and they've been with me for many years. And there you see one of my goldfishes slowly coming out. The most amazing part of this setup is this water that you see here, which is pretty clear and clean. But the most amazing part is that this has not been changed. This water has not been changed for almost 2 years, which is incredible and probably the biggest advantage of this aquaponic setup. This pond itself was made with very inexpensive material. Handmade by myself using bricks and some kind of a pond liner, so that the water stays inside, and that's about it. There's nothing fancy about it. And I have an aquarium pump which runs 4 to 5 hours a day, which pumps this pond water into these grow beds, which are nothing but the food crates which I used, which has clay pellets, which is the grow medium, and these drip irrigation lines which deliver the water for the plants. And I'm amazed at the way the plants are growing out here. You see that they're really lush green, and we see new leaves popping up almost every week, which is very fascinating to see them grow indoors. And we've basically chosen indoor plants which require minimal sunlight and maintenance, and also some creepers. In this case, we have pothos, or money plant as we call them in India. But the best thing is look at the size of these leaves. Look at the size of these leaves. They are huge, and they're getting bigger and bigger day by day, which is kind of a proof that these plants are actually getting all the nutrients they need without any additional inputs into this system. So really for an indoor garden setup like this works perfectly, and all this you get at a fraction of a cost, which is probably around 4,000 rupees, which I spent overall for this setup, which is a little over $50, and that's incredible again for a setup like this, which is running self-sufficiently without any maintenance whatsoever. So I hope this video was useful to you in some way. And if you really like this video, do subscribe to my channel and do give me a thumbs up. That'll really encourage me to create more such videos. If you have any queries, feel free to log them in the comment section and I'll attend to them. So thanks a lot for viewing. Goodbye.